Hi there! This tutorial will show you how to use Double-Optin on your WordPress site for your email list. But what is Double-Optin? Double-Optin ensures that people don't subscribe to your list unwillingly. This helps to keep your subscriber list clean, free from spam emails. So from your email dashboard, go to Settings and click on Double-Optin. Now set your email subject followed by the main message of your email. Then set the confirmation message. Lastly, you can choose not to redirect your email. Click on Redirect to URL if you want your email to direct your user to a URL address. In addition, you can redirect to a particular page of your WordPress site if needed. When you are done, click on Save Changes. And that is how you can use Double-Optin on your WordPress site for your email list using Wemail. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getwemail.io and subscribe to our channel.